Hi, we are in the table view and we are looking at our UFO sightings table, and we have a shape column. So I was just thinking that, hey, let us try to calculate percentage of shape. We'll create a measure and we'll try to bring in external slicers, say for example decade bin or country name or both up top, and we'll also add a clustered bar chart to the report page so that whenever user makes selections by using those slicers up top, the country column and the decade, so that once they make selections, the bar chart also will change. That way we have percentages too. So as a first step, let us try to go back to our measures table and right click on it, and it's a simple measure. So we are going to use divide function and we'll name the measure as percentage of shape, and by using divide they expect two parameters, numerator and denominator. For numerator, we'll try to use the count function and count the shape, and the second denominator we'll use the calculate function. For the expression, we'll add the count shape, and for the filter, we'll add all selected. So that way, whenever the external slices are coming in, those values will change. So we'll try to change it into percentage, and the standard things what we do, the formatting. Let us try to do that. Once we have that, the next step is to go to the report page and add two slicers, and we can add decade bin slicer, and let us do all those format changes, and let us try to resize it and make sure that we have those cards to up to probably 10 or 11, because we have 1920s to 2020s. So let us increase that max buttons to show us 11. So we have that. Once we have that, initially like what we thought is we want to add another slicer too. So let us try to bring in the column, country name column from the UFO sightings dataset, and add it and make it as a slicer. Once we have that, we have two slicers up top. The next step is simple. We have to add a clustered bar chart, and go ahead and make all the changes, add the data labels and add the conditional format and as such based on your needs. Fundamentally, we wanted to see what is the percentage of shapes whenever user selects those slicers. So once we make any selections up top, you have your data labels, and like I said, conditional formatting also can be done. And this is a new way of looking at the data, and this is another insight. So we have achieved what we intended to. We have two slicers up top and we have a bar chart on the bottom. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.